The table below shows the breakdown of votes for reducing property taxes cast by committee members last month. And right here they show last month's votes. So this is the vote section and the fraction of the committee that voted. So the for had 1/3, against had 1/4. The rest of the committee members voted undecided. This month, the committee members voted again, and 1/2 voted for, reducing property taxes. The fraction of those who voted against remained the same. Again, the rest of the committee members voted undecided. What is the difference between the fraction of committee members who voted undecided last month and this month? So, our job is to find out undecided both times. So we need to first figure out what is the undecided fraction for both months. So let's first figure out last month. So last month, we know that 4 was 1/3, and we know against was 1/4, and undecided, let's put this on UDEC, we don't know. Well, we know that the whole thing equals 1 whole, so if we just subtract these two fractions from 1 whole, we're going to figure out our undecided. So let's do just 1 whole minus our 4, which is 1/3, and this one's going to be easy. We know 1 is the same as 3/3, and we're just going to take away 1/3 away. So that's going to be 2/3. So now we got to subtract 1/4, the against, and then from there we'll get our fraction for undecided just for last month only. But right here I see two different denominators. So now we must do a unit, a common denominator in order to do the subtraction. So if I multiply 2/3 by 4/4, I'm going to get 8/12. And if I multiply 1/4 by 3/3, I'm going to get 3/12. Now we subtract the 2, 5/12. So that's our undecided just for last month. Now we need to figure out undecided for this month. For this one. So they tell us in our question that for this month, 4 equals 1/2. Against, they said it was the same amount. And against had 1/4 last time. And then undecided, we need to figure out once again. So if we subtract these two fractions from our 1 whole, we're going to get our undecided once again. So this one is going to be actually quite easy. Because if I subtract 1/2 from 1, I'm going to get 1/2. And if I subtract 1/4 for 1/2, well, I know 1/2 is the same as 2/4, so I'm just going to get 1/4. And then this is going to be our undecided for this month. Now, our last step, if we subtract our two undecideds, so we have 5/12 minus 1/4, we will get our answer to our question. But once again, we do not have common denominators. So if I just multiply 1/4 by 3/3, I'm going to get 3/12. And that's already the same denominator as our 5/12, so we could keep that the same. And 5/12 minus 3/12, well, that's just going to be 2/12. Or if you want to simplify your answer, You could say 1, 6.